this video, we'd like to showcase the power of the dashboards we built for various end users within the city. These dashboards showcase the amount of parking in front of electric vehicle charging stations compared to the actual charging that is completed at an electrical vehicle charging station. This data leverages our eXactpark solution that monitors when a vehicle enters or leaves an electric vehicle parking station. So in this first dashboard, end users can pick any date range they like through using the calendar at the top, and then they can drill into specific EV zones to get a good understanding just on the amount of parking that's occurring. So you can see for the months of January through April in this specific electric vehicle zone, the one spot in the middle in our Fear Sports Park 3 actually had 13,000 minutes of parking compared to some of the other ones. That only tells one part of the story. So our end users also wanted to see the utilization for electric vehicle chargers compared to the amount of minutes parked. So this dashboard is very easy to see, broken out by month. You can see on the left-hand side the number of minutes that electric vehicle charging stations were used compared to those on the right of parking. So you can see, though this is tense data, that it kind of emulates our production environment, that the trend was very bad going up until December. So there was a lot of vehicles that were parking that weren't charging. So this allows our communications department, our fleet and facilities departments to generate either new signage or updated social media to direct maybe users to the right parking if they need to use electric vehicle parking or if they need to find alternative parking. Further into this busy dashboard, you can see now further details at each zone. So this really allows get a better understanding of what's happening in each zone. If you're familiar with Power BI, you can click on a zone and it can tell you the other charts will change to show just what you're looking at. But at the top here, we show at a very high level to our end users the amount of vehicles parked, how long they've parked, the number of vehicles charging, and the charge ratio. So you could easily do this as well for parking charging. So if you charge for parking, you could easily show how many people are paying versus how many people are not paying. Just like in this case where the city uses it for how many vehicles are actually charging when it comes to parking in front of an EV charging station. Hope that gives you some insight into the power of dashboards.